Jeff Cox here at Delivering Alpha 2017, the annual conference where we bring together some of the best and brightest minds with their various investing ideas. We get it from all over the spectrum. Now I have with me somebody who's in the small and mid-cap spectrum. I want to introduce you to Mick McGuire. Mick is with Marcato Capital Management. He's got a very interesting best idea for us today. Mick, welcome to Delivering Alpha.
Thank you.
Tell us what your idea is.
So today I pitched, actually it's our largest investment in the portfolio. It's a company called Terex. The ticker's TEX.
Manufacturer?
Yes, they manufacture construction equipment. In fact, you see it on the street every day. Tall cranes, booms, and lifts. And then they also make what they call material processing equipment to handle large aggregate rocks and heavy industrial.
A little esoteric. What drew you to that kind of a company?
Well, it wasn't so much the nature of its business itself, so much as kind of the moment in time that the company found itself. The company historically, for the last 20 years, had been a large roll-up story, and that had left the company with lines of business in lots of different areas. They brought in a new CEO who was kind of taking a fresh look at the portfolio, and what we saw were certain businesses that made good money and good returns on their assets, and certain businesses that did not. And if the CEO was open to considering a fresh look at maybe exiting the businesses that were not performing well and focusing on the businesses that were, that there was some opportunity to really generate a lot of earnings.
They have divested a little bit lately, though,
That's
right?
right.
There was a crane company that they were involved with. Is that right?
They still own the crane business,
okay.
But they were in 5 businesses. Now they're in 3.
Okay.
The largest business that they sold, actually, it was a type of crane business. It was focused on specialty crane technology mainly for ports, and they sold that business to another large port equipment business in Europe. And then they've also been selling certain other construction-related assets.
So from your standpoint, is that what you're looking for from the company, for them to get smaller? Is that the idea? Or?
Yeah, it's really about focus and maximizing returns on capital and profit margins. And so step 1 is about exiting businesses that because of their scale or the nature of the competitive environment, were always going to be very difficult business units for them to generate good returns in, exiting those, which they've done, and then focusing on the businesses where they do have really attractive scale and brands, and making sure that those businesses are as profitable as they can be. And that's more of an operational turnaround, and that's the process that they're